Karan, I would say, uh, ups and downs are always going to be there. So, these hurdles, challenges will come along the way. And it's a package deal. So don't think that, once your career has taken off, you've represented India, then everything is going to go smoothly. You have to keep working hard at it. You have to constantly keep raising the bar. And that is not just when it comes to your performances, but your preparation becomes even more important. Like, if you have to appear for an exams, you study the whole year for that moment. So it's the same thing here. But not always you're going to get results according to your liking. Sometimes you may not be selected. I know this is a challenging moment for you. But what I did, I found a reason to wake up every morning. So you got to find a reason to wake up every morning and go out and work as hard as possible. It is जैसे कि हम कहते हैं कि दिल की सुनो, दिमाग की मत सुनो, क्योंकि जब दिल आपसे बात करता है ना, तो उसके रिजल्ट्स हमेशा अच्छे लगते हैं और वो दिल से रिजल्ट्स लगते हैं. दिमाग नॉट ऑलवेज, आई थिंक दिमाग जब ग्राउंड पे हो, खेल रहे हो, स्ट्रेटेजीज प्लान कर रहे हो, तब दिमाग का काम होता है. मगर जब आप खेलने के लिए जा रहे हो, प्रैक्टिस के लिए जा रहे हो, तो इट इज ऑल अबाउट योर सेटिस्फैक्शन. It is not about the number of hours that you have spent on the field. Yes, it is important to train for X number of hours and prepare yourself physically. And the harder you prepare yourself physically, the better you'll respond mentally in tough situations. So this is a critical period of your career. और मैं यही आपसे उम्मीद करता हूँ कि you will go from tomorrow morning and work harder and just watch कि तुम्हारी जो प्रोसेस है, तुम्हारी प्रोसेस के पीछे रिजल्ट्स कैसे भागते आते. डोंट वरी अबाउट रिजल्ट्स. हम रिजल्ट्स को बहुत अटैच हो जाते हैं, तो रिजल्ट्स के साथ अटैचमेंट थोड़ी दूर करो और तुम्हारे प्रोसेस के साथ अटैचमेंट रखो. रिजल्ट्स तुम्हारे पीछे भागते आएंगे, मैं आपको गारंटी देता हूँ कि ये होता ही है. क्योंकि when you prepare yourself, you are kind of training yourself to be in the present. And that is what sport is all about. Staying in the present, और बाकी का सब कुछ अपने आप होता है. ये एक प्रोसेस जो होती है, मैं कहूँगा कि वही फॉलो करो. एंड आई नो कि चैलेंजिंग मोमेंट है अभी, और ट्रस्ट मी, दिस इज नॉट द लास्ट वन. देयर विल बी नंबर ऑफ चैलेंजेस इन स्टोर फॉर यू. And that is what sport is all about. That is what life is all about. But never give up. Never give up is what my advice. Things will, the moment you start embracing challenges भी सोचते हैं कि इसको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है, I better back off. And that is what will happen to you. I wish you all the very best. Bye bye everyone. Nice chatting with you. Good luck.